Hello, this is Miss McCauley. So today we're going to work on this math page. Okay, it's called How Many Corners? And there's a lot of shapes and we're going to count the corners. So please write your name at the top here. I'm going to write McCauley because that's my name, but you write your name. Okay. At any time as we're doing this page together on this video, if I'm going too fast, too quickly, and you need time to catch up, you pause the video so that you can catch up. Okay? Do it as many times as you need. You could do it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 100 times. Okay? Whatever you need to catch up. And if you don't need to pause it because you can catch up, you can keep up with me, don't, then just keep up with me. Okay? So let's read our standard. 1 for first grade, G for geometry, part A of number 1. Okay? And this standard is about the attributes of shapes. Attributes means what makes each shape different from the other. Okay? So this attribute we're looking at today is the corners. So let's read the directions. Here I go. Count the corners on the shape and dab or color the matching numeral. So you can color the matching numeral with a pencil or with the crayon. You get to choose, okay? So let's look at this first shape. We're not going to count the sides. We're going to count the corners. So go ahead and count the corners. Okay. Is it 2, 3, or 4? You're right. It's 3. 1, 2, 3 corners. So let's color in 3. You can color it with a pencil if you don't have a crayon, okay? All right, let's move to the next shape. Okay, let's go to this one right here. So let's look at the corners, and you decide whether this shape has 0, 1, or 2 corners. Yeah, it's got no corners, right? In order for it to have corners, there has to be 2 straight lines. This one doesn't have any straight lines, so it's 0 corners. If you don't have a crayon, use a pencil to color it in. Okay, let's look at this one right here. This shape right here. Let's count the corners, okay? Here's a corner, here's a corner, here's a corner, here's a corner. Count the corners. Okay, is it 3 corners, 4 corners, or 6 corners? If you said it was 4 corners, you're absolutely right. Let's color in 4 corners. Okay, let's go to this shape right here, okay? And let's look at the corners. There's the corners. Right there. Okay. Look at the numbers 3, 4, and 6 and color in the one that you think shows how many corners this one has. If you said it was 4 corners, you're absolutely right. So with your crayon, color it in. I'm not going to color it in for you, okay? You're going to have to do it without me. So color in 4. It's got 4 corners. All right, let's move on to this shape here. See the corners? Go ahead and count the corners. Now, with your crayon, color in the correct circle that shows how many corners. Okay? Or you can color in with your pencil if you don't have a crayon, okay? You can color in with your crayon or pencil. Go ahead and do that right now. Don't forget, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. Okay, let's go to this one. Let's look at the corners. Count the corners, and with your crayon, color in the one that shows how many corners this shape has. This is called a rhombus. Okay, now let's go to this one right here. Go ahead and count the corners, and you decide if it's got 0 corners, 1 corner, or 2 corners. You go ahead and do that now. Okay, color it in, okay, with your crayon or your pencil, whichever one you think is the correct answer. Color it in. Okay, now, lovies, you do this one and this one without me, okay? You color in the corners for this one. For this one, too. Color in the corners because now you can do it by yourself. You don't need my help, okay? Go ahead and do that. Turn off the video and finish this page, and then you can put it away in your backpack. Okay, don't forget to do this one and this one and this one, okay? All right. Good job. I'm stopping the video now.